to see is taken from an early experiment on learning of aggressive styles of behavior through modeling.
In 1961, Albert Bandura conducted his Bobo doll experiment for the purpose of revealing a child's tendency to learn behaviors such as aggression through observation. Bandura claimed that children would imitate the adults' actions modeled for them when placed in a similar environment. In order to prove this, he filmed adults acting aggressively and peacefully towards inflatable plastic Bobo dolls. He showed these videos to young children who were then placed individually in a room with a Bobo doll, and their actions were observed. Bandura concluded that the children who were shown the violent videos tended to act aggressively toward the doll, while those who were shown the non-aggressive videos showed non-violent behavior. In our recreation of Bandura's experiment, we substituted a yoga ball for the Bobo doll. We filmed our experimenters acting aggressively and non-aggressively and separated our subjects into groups. We showed one group the violent videos and the other group the non-violent video. We then placed them individually in a room with toys and a yoga ball and observed their behavior. We also had a control group who were not shown a video. This is the non-violent video shown to Group 1. The experimenter was calm and interacted with the yoga ball in a non-violent way. Group 1 was then shown this video. They were then placed in a room individually and observed with the yoga ball. Group 1 tended to act similarly to the experimenter shown in the video. In this video, the experimenter acted violently and aggressively towards the yoga ball. Group 2 was then shown this video. They were then placed in a room individually and observed with the yoga ball. Group 2 also tended to act similarly to the experimenter shown in the video and interacted with the yoga ball violently. The control group was not shown a video and showed little interest in the yoga ball. This experiment showed that the children tended to mimic behavior modeled for them. Bandura used this to derive his social learning theory. His theory caused a shift in psychology from a behavioristic approach to learning, in which rewards and punishments were essential, to instead a social cognitive approach with an emphasis on the power of observation. The control group in this experiment demonstrated that when not having seen a particular behavior, children are more likely to act on their own and make their own decisions, instead of simply imitating the actions of those around them. Today, Bandura's social learning theory justifies many parents' concerns over the effect that violence seen in movies, TV shows, and video games has on their children, and also stresses the importance of having and being a good role model, as your actions can influence those of the people around you.